In this angel activation, we are going to be calling upon Archangel Chamuel to help us open our heart, find inner peace and stillness. He's also an angel that you can call upon to really help you vibrate at the energy of unconditional love, help with self-love. He can also help bring harmony into your relationships, relationship with yourself, relationship with others. And he's also an angel that you can call upon for physical health and physical healing and wellness, as well as finding lost items. So if there's anything that you've lost and you don't know where it is, you can call upon his assistance to help. And so I'm going to be connecting to your energy. And I'm going to be channeling his energy through me to you. So as I'm connecting to both of your energies, just set your intention. What do you really need his assistance with in this moment? I'm going to read just a little blurb about him from the Angel Prayers Oracle card booklet. And it says, Chamuel's name means he who sees God, and he is the angel of love. His aura is pure white and ruby, and his purpose is to help us see opportunities to love. When he shows up in a reading, he can signify a soulmate, bond, or relationship. He helps us enjoy our loved ones and feel a sense of peace concerning our purpose, which is to be happy and fulfilled. So now that you know a little bit more about him, perhaps you can deepen your intentions. I'm going to begin the channeling now, calling upon Archangel Chamuel's energy. Please come through me into you. Bringing to you now the energy of pure unconditional love. You might want to state that you are open and receptive to this. Really allow yourself to receive this unconditional love. I'm hearing that a lot of us, in one way or another, block it out. We feel uncomfortable receiving this love, receiving it from others, receiving it from ourselves. So really let those blocks, those barriers go. Let those walls down and receive his energy now. Receive this love, this heart opening now. Breathing his energy right into your heart chakra. His aura surrounds you. You are surrounded by white and pink and ruby red light. What is it that you need right now from this energy? Allow yourself to feel this peace, this inner stillness. Letting go of anxiety and worry. Exhale all anxiety, worry, stress, resentment, anger, frustration, Any other energy that is not serving you, exhale it now. You're exhaling it into this energy that's surrounding you, where it instantly is transmuted back into love and peace. And if you have somebody with whom you would want a healing in your relationship, call them in, invite them into this beautiful energy, and allow whatever healing needs to take place to take place. And this could be with somebody who's in your life currently, but it can also be somebody from your past. It can be somebody who's even passed on. Or it can be a complete and deep healing of the relationship that you have with yourself. Allow this healing on all levels. And I see Archangel Chamuel giving you a hug. And I'm also seeing a lot of other beings in your field who want to hug you and nurture you and support you. Allow this in. Allow yourself to be embraced in the love from Archangel Chamuel, and the love from others. Who do you need a hug from right now? Your own higher self is coming in, and your inner child's coming in, embracing you, hugging you. You're feeling the unconditional love from them. An integration back into wholeness, back into unconditional love. I'm seeing Archangel Chamuel move now down to your feet, grounding in this energy, grounding it into your body, your cells, your bones, your emotions, your expectations, your thoughts, grounding it into you right now. And as he is doing this, I'm going to read some more from the booklet. And so just take these words into your being, into your energy field. The angels are encouraging you to open your heart at this time. Because of the emotional ties and letdowns of your past, you've created barriers surrounding your heart energy that will stop people from coming into your life and stand in the way of loving experiences. It is important for you to realize that the past no longer exists, and the only place where you are powerful is in the present. Your heart may be feeling broken, but it is completely whole, and all you have to do to remember that you all you have to do is remember that ultimately you are love. There are opportunities for you to love and be loved at this time. This card brings positive, loving, and even romantic experiences into your life so you can feel whole again. You are an old romantic at heart, and it is the small things that count to you. By taking this opportunity to open your heart and let love in, you will allow yourself to settle, be romanced, and have a positive relationship. The angels want you to know it is safe to love and trust any new relationships or existing relationships in your life at this time. So based on those words, is there any last intention that you want to set moving forward of opening your heart, inviting in support? Allow yourself to truly open now. Set this intention moving forward. Place your hands on your heart and speak your gratitude to Archangel Chamuel now. So we're disconnecting from this energy session. So be it, and so it is. Lots of love and light to you. I wanted to just take a moment to apologize for the little technical blip that was experienced, but I want these channelings to be real and authentic, and I didn't want to try and edit it, and so I just want to apologize. And sometimes that happens whenever you mix really strong energy with technology. All right, love you guys. I'll talk with you later.